Well, hey there, people. Well, we're back at it again. Obviously, I didn't get fired. Today's mission, I'm going to Wasaga Beach to deliver some stuff. We're here at the Esso. Look at the gas prices. Anyway, there's a guy in front of me. He bought a pack of gum. $7 he paid for a pack of gum. Shit's gone insane. Anyway, this is what I'm delivering. If the door's unlocked, probably not. Oh, there we go. So I'm going all the way to Wasaga to deliver this to Ivan, obviously. I brought my sleeping bag in case I have an overnighter. Anyway, let's go. I think that truck's rad's leaking. Anyway, I made it to Wasaga Beach. I don't have time to go beaching. I didn't bring my shorts or anything. I decided to treat the family to some corn. Some fresh corn from Wasaga Beach. Let's go check this out. Gotta love fresh corn. Bing, bing, bing. Right on. Oh no, I forgot my bag. It smells nice and fresh in here. What do we got? Okay. Oh yeah. How much is the corn? $12 a dozen. Say shy of, but we're gonna do it anyway. Got peas even. Beautiful. But I forgot my bag, so don't mind if I do. Little tip to myself. So I got a dozen and a half. I'll give Jomo and Allison a dozen. And Claire's watching my dog right now, so I'll give her half a dozen. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you guys are ever in Wasaga Beach area, check this place out. Beautiful women that work here and everything. I got too shy to take the camera out, but yeah. Very nice service. Very nice people. Alright, I guess we gotta go back to Sudbury. It's only a 3-hour drive. It smells so fresh out here. Yeah, man. Alright. Did you know we boost? Let's go. I made a spectacle of myself a bit. Anyway, the girl comes out. I should have videoed it. Anyway, she comes out. She goes, "What's your YouTube?" So I gave her one of my cards. And she's like, "The lady behind me too." She says, "You're cute." And she wants to check out your YouTube channel. So I gave her one. I have one card left. I gotta get on the ball and order somewhere. But yeah, check these guys out. Did I ever tell you guys that I love my Ontario? There's nothing like it. Oh, better slow down. So we're here at Mark's. Yeah, just outside of Wasaga. Is it still Wasaga? Is this still Wasaga?
Wabasheen.
What?
Wabasheen.
Wabasheen.
This is Wabasheen, right?
Wabasheen. So we're here in Wabasheen at Mark's. And we're gonna maybe grab an ice cream. Probably not, but just taking a break. It's friggin' hot out. I'm not complaining. Beautiful people. Everybody's so friendly, man. Look what I'm driving. It's awesome. I'm supporting the group. We boost. We boost. All right, let's get out of here. Oh no. Nightmare. Good thing I've got a full tank of gas. I remember seeing this on my way in, like it's huge, huge. We're gonna be forever. Good thing I got my tunes. I got some Slayer kicking ass, so I'm gonna do that for a bit, I guess. Well, I made it back, like I said, and I got greeted by the kitty. Eh? Who is a good kitty? The spoiled kitty. I think you know Uncle Marcel now. Why you itchies? You got the itchies? You want to come up? Careful. A lot of junk. Oh, there we go. She's at a ball here. The desk is a mess. The shop kitty's pretty cute, eh? Look at you. You're a good kitty. She loves to see me. Because I have a cat treat, I think, for you. Hey, Bubba? I might have a cat treat. I think I have a cat treat. Oh, I got lots of cat treats. Here you go. Kitty treats. Everybody gives her treat. Look how fat. Squeak, 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 squeak. She's pretty cool, eh? Alright, I gotta take a break. I gotta hand in my gas receipts and all that stuff. Well, hey there, people. Well, today we're doing another scrap run. Imagine that. And this stuff. Got a little copper. Oh, some #1 copper. Some ugly copper. Should be a good payday. Except for that stuff. That's 60 bucks right there. Okay, let's get her loaded up. I don't know where my partner is, but let's get him up. Yeah, we must have, I'd guess, 100 pounds of copper. Well, we did pretty good on the copper. That's for sure. The tin was 60 something bucks. We got another load of steel. Now we're going back for some steel. We have here, we have a big steel door, some shelving, and this stuff. And we got this barbecue. We'll probably find some more if we search. I didn't want to take out my camera because I get in trouble at the scrapyard with the camera, right? And I didn't show you this full load, I apologize, but with the barbecue and all the shit I showed you guys, 55 bucks you got. So I'm done scrapping for the day. Check that car out. It is for sale, the sign's down, but anyway, I'm gonna check out this store. I'm looking for a desk. I need a new little desk. And after this, we're gonna go to get some food. A place called Frugal's. Hopefully we don't get copyright for this shitty music. It smells in here a little bit. It smells old. I don't know. I gotta look this way again. Maybe there's a hidden desk or even a little table or something. It's too low. What's that? $30 a year. Right now, save 15% off new memberships. Have a red hot day with CAA every day. Slightly used, maybe. I don't know. There's a desk there, but that's too big for my little space. Yeah. Or is it? Sturdy. You know what? I think that'll work. Yeah, I'm getting it. I don't know how much it is. No price on it. But I want this thrown in. I need that. Check that out, eh? That's pretty damn cool. Oh, I need one of those chairs when I walk cash. Scores! Well, there's today's score. 12 bucks for everything. I need this badly for the walking. The shirt's kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, if you're ever in the Hanmer area, check them out. Check this out. Right behind the thrift store. Is that a real Airstream, I wonder? A lot of windows. Probably like a chip stand at one point. Yeah, that's what it was, guaranteed. Cool. Alright, now we're here at Frugal's. Let's go see what's going on at Frugal's in Hanmer. Not much going on here today. All the freezers are empty. Oh, here we go, maybe. Some pickles and shit. Oh, I should get some mayo. There's a big jar for me. Too big. Oh, that looks good, eh? Yum, yum. I think I came at the wrong time. Turkeys. Some stuff. It's turkey. Turkey. What's that? Ground chicken. Chicken. What's that? Ground chicken. I don't know. I sense a lot of freezer burned ground chicken. I'm hungry though. What the hell are those? I'm gonna grab that. Yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. Supper. Let's check out the turkeys. Oh, 25 bucks a turkey. Sliced pepperonis. Yeah, they have like $20 giveaway, I don't know, once a month or something. Like people line up for this. You pay 20 bucks and you get a shitload of stuff. I don't know, I might grab some pickles. I like my pickles. We'll grab this. We'll grab pickles. Pickles. Not good for puppies. I need mayo, but that's way huge. Way huge. All right. Yep. Yep, that's dinner.
Yeah.
Oof. Fish. Oh. Why am I not recognizing?
I don't know if there's anything new here.
Oh, how come so many empty freezers?
Not enough meats, I guess. I don't know.
I might get this to help cash out. I just got him some baby aspirin today. Because that shit's online, it's very expensive. Well, anyway, as I was shopping, this girl walked in and she's looking at me, whatnot, and she looked familiar. She goes, I heard, hey, princess. Somebody said, hey, princess. I'm like, you're calling me princess? Like, what the heck? Anyway, that was her nickname for the Frugal. She volunteers. Anyway, this lady used to serve me at Solid Gold. She was a waitress at the strip joint, like way back. Like, it was nice to see her. If you see this, it was really nice to see you, princess. You're still pretty as ever. Well, anyway, people, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Where's my buddy? Can you see him back there somewhere? Pretty dark. Anyway, we really do appreciate it. Big cheers. And we'll let you look at Cash for a second. Let's wake him up. All right. Uh-oh. Did we wake you up, buddy? Hey? Oh, you're so pretty. You're the best dog ever. Hey, he's the best dog, guys. You don't even know how much I love this dog. You guys don't even know. Okay? Don't even know. I can do this forever, right here. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. Really mean it. We'll talk to you guys soon.